Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to add Passkey on Kraken account. So first we're going to open the Kraken app. As I told you, guys can find this app in the App Store or Play Store, such as for cryptocurrency app. Then next we're going to click on the profile section on the top left corner. Then we're going to click on security. So once you scroll downwards, there's the Passkey section, we're going to click on it. So next we're going to click on Add Passkey. Then once you guys enter your biometrics, your Passkey will be created for you. So this also protects you from phishing attacks. If you want to know more about Passkeys, you guys can click on Learn More. Then they're going to tell you more about Passkeys. It's basically an easier way to sign in, so you guys don't have to log in again and again. So that's how you do it. It's a very simple step. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.